I recently published a video on how you can highlight the top 2, maybe 3 salesmen from your dataset simply by entering a number on your cell. However, someone that inquired if I can do the same feature on an Excel. Well, this is how you do it. First, you're going to highlight your dataset, excluding the header, only the salesperson and the sales value. Then you go Home, Styles, Conditional Formatting. Over here, you're going to say New Rule. In this new rule, you're going to select use a formula to determine which cell to format. Over here, you're going to say equal. First of all, you're going to select the very first cell on your sales row, and then you're going to press F4 twice like this, 1, 2, which makes the column fixed while the rows are not fixed. Then after that, you're going to say greater than or equal to, because we're looking for the top 2 or 3 or whatever you enter here, greater than or equal to, and we're going to use a function called large. The first argument on the function large would be the entire sales column like this, and then you're going to press comma, and the second argument on large would be whatever the user entered in this cell here, and you're going to close parenthesis. The function large will return the 2 largest value in the range C5 to C24 for this example. If I were to change this 2 to 3, you'll find the largest 3 values in cell ranging from C5 to C24. Once that's done, you're going to click on Format. After that, you're going to go to Fill tab here and select any color that you want to highlight. See, I'm going to highlight with yellow and click OK. And on this new formatting rule, you're going to click OK. Now you can see that you have the 2 highest values being highlighted by this new conditional formatting feature that you've added. Now, if you were to change this to 3, you can see top 3 values are highlighted. And if you want only the top 1 value, you just put 1 here, hit enter. The topmost value on your whole data set is highlighted.